Hey there, Pauline here from Zilch Beauty, back with another Subtl tutorial. So if you don't already know, Subtl launched some beautiful eyeshadow duos. There are 5 of them to be exact. They can mix and match into your existing stack, or you can buy them on their own. But today I wanted to show you how you can pair these lovely eyeshadow duos with our beloved Subtl lip and cheek. So I have my stack of all the 5 lip and cheek shades along with my stack of all 5 of the eyeshadows, and I'm going to show a few of my favorite pairings. I'm going to try to put them on and wipe them off and show you the pairings together in real time. We'll see how that goes. I wanted to talk about one of my favorites of the duos so far, and this is the Jelly Duo. This is what she looks like. You have your matte, like very pretty, like light pink with a hint of mauve in there with this really beautiful shimmer shade. So I'm gonna apply this to my eyes, and then I'm actually gonna pair this with the shade Mauve. I'm gonna go ahead and apply them, and you can take a look. All right, we're back with our beautiful pairing of the Jelly Duo along with the Mauve lip and cheek. Again, to me, this is so beautiful. It's probably the most like pretty effortless combo, I would say, out of all of them. So let's step it up a notch and go with a new pairing. Okay, next up we have a really fun duo. This is the Sunset eyeshadow along with our Dusty Rose lip and cheek. These definitely have more of a warm vibe. These are gonna be great for summer to really amp up some sultry, warm, contoured bronze looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply and show you how beautiful these look together. I'm just using the Subtl Arlington concealer to clean up any sort of fallout. These are super pigmented, and it's totally fine if you do have a little bit of fallout. You can always just clean it up with a little bit of concealer if it came up too high or too low. But look how sultry and cool this look is. I love this duo. This is so cool, so different, I feel like, than a normal everyday look. But if you wore this out, like, you would look freaking fire. All right, this one might be my favorite, and this is likely gonna be something you wouldn't pick up, but I wanna encourage you to try it out. This is our Plum lip and cheek with the Nectar Duo here. To me, orange and purple look so beautiful together. You have this warm bronze, coppery tone picked up with this beautiful berry. I really think you're gonna love it. So let's apply and you'll see how it looks. I'm so in love with the shade combo. Again, I think this is probably one a lot of people wouldn't necessarily go for right off the bat, but I think this is such a creative and cool way to bring in a little bit of fun to your makeup look, all with these beautiful versatile colors from Subtl's duos as well as their lip and cheek. There are so many more combos that you could do. These are just 3 of my favorites. So show us what you're doing with your duos as well as your lip and cheeks. We would love to see your Subtl looks. All right, guys, we'll be back with more videos soon. Talk to you later.